Welcome the students, myself Gyani Singh. Today class 9th. Today I teach you about importance of air and air pollution. You know the very well the combination of air which are present in environments. This is main constituents of nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and noble gases. The importance of air which are contaminated in the airs. First we comes to the air because air contain oxygen. It is helpful in the oxidation and combustion. Without oxygen, no things are burned. So it is very important for the combustion and oxidation. Second, it is a breathing. All organisms are breathe, inspire the oxygen and expire the carbon dioxide. Without oxygen, no anyone can live in the earth. Where the oxygen is not present in planets, life is not possible. And third is nitrogen. The presence of the nitrogen in the air, it is also important the formation of nucleic acids, proteins, and also organic compounds and DNA and RNA and ATPs. Third is presence of carbon dioxide. It is a very important for the photosynthesis because the green plants prepare their foods in the process of photosynthesis. So the all green plants take the carbon dioxide in the photosynthesis and liberate the oxygen in the atmosphere. So the maintain the ratio in the environmental air in carbon dioxide and oxygen is constant. Without plants, no organism is present in the earth. And fourth, it is moderate the environmental temperature. Environmental temperature also moderated by the air. And fifth, air also form a medium of communication because without air, no any can sound possible to forward other place. Because of sound cannot travel in vacuum. Sound we cannot travel in vacuum. And other air is also bring clouds. It is important for the rainfall. So it is important for the air. Importance for the air. And pollution. What is the definition of the pollution? Pollution is a undesirable changes. Undesirable changes in the physical, chemical, biochemical, biological characteristic in our air, land and water. They may harmfully affect human life. It is a definition of pollution. Pollutions are various types. Pollutant is various types such as biogradients and non-biogradients and some importance of deposit and gases and metal and industrial and agricultural and photochemical etc. Biogradients which can be pollutants originated from the living organism such as domestic sewage, cloth, papers and woods, and non-biogradients such as plastic, aluminium and also compound of mercury and DDT. And some other importance gases, carbon dioxide, nitrogen and oxides of sulfurs, halogens, metal like lead, zinc, iron and chromium. And agricultural use of fertilizers, pesticides and the fungicides also and herbicides. Photochemicals also, they are ethylene, phenyl, photochemicals, smoke, and pain, peroxyacetylene nitrogen, and radioactive, they are used by the radioactive elements. This is the pollution. And air pollution is an like a pollution. Air pollution is a not is a undesirable changes in environmental air, and contamination of the air are changed which are formed in the original position. This is called air pollution. Air pollutions, the harmful of the air pollutions by the respiratory tract, duplication of the ozone layers, and also gases, house effect, greenhouse effect, and global warming. That's all. Okay.